Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This vehicle is in the LTZ trim with Summit white paint and alloy rims. It also has a rear backup camera with assist, cruise control, rear tow assist, and an auto open and close hitch. Now moving on to the interior of the Silverado. On the door panel, we have a chrome handle, as well as our lock controls and our seat controls. Below that, we have our mirrors, which offer extending and descending inside. Below that, we have our two front auto windows, as well as our rear window controls. Up on the side, to the left of the steering wheel, we have our full hitch controls, as well as our lighting for our bed of our truck and our additional lighting for our dash and our headlights. Above the steering wheel in the cluster, we have all of our various levels. Below that, we have our steering wheel, which offers our cruise control, a heated steering wheel, as well as all our hands-free. Going to the middle, we have our heads-up display, which offers all of our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, our trailer hitching, as well as our rear backup camera. Moving down, we have our dual zone climate control, as well as our exhaust brakes, some additional power, our hill parking assist. Below that, also up above, we also do have heated and cooled seats in here. Below, we have our USB, our 12-volt outlet, as well as a power plug. Below that, we have some storage, a couple of cup holders, some additional storage up above and inside, where we also have some additional USBs and an auxiliary cable. Across onto the rear seats, we can see that we have black leather seats. Then heading up towards the rear view mirror, we have our rear view mirror, all of our OnStar assists, as well as our controls for our sunroof and our garage door settings. Back outside of the vehicle, we can see our wheels, the black finish, as well as the Chevy bow tie in the middle. Up to the mirrors, we have the black, as well as our additional controls on those, which go in and out. So moving back, we have our blacked out door handles. Towards the back, we have some steps to get up into the hitch. We have all our trailer controls. We also have the automatic hitch back here, which if you just press, it activates there. Then once inside of our hitch, we have lighting to the left and the right that is activated inside the cab, as well as plenty of room back there for everything you might need. Now heading into the rear of the vehicle, we have our, once again, chrome finished door handle, our window controls. On the back of the seats, we have a magazine holder, as well as leather throughout the back. We have 3 cup holders that fold up and down into the middle. And then in the back, we have 2 additional cup holders that are up between the front 2 seats, our heated rear seats, some additional charging that also includes another 12 volts, as well as USBs. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. We hope you subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon.